What if everything we know about the universe is only a tiny fragment of a greater mystery? Why do stars ignite and then die, leaving us only riddles? Every gaze into the night sky opens new questions, and the more we discover, the less we truly understand. One of the greatest cosmic mysteries is the black hole. They devour everything around them, even light cannot escape. But what truly happens inside their event horizon? Scientists still have no definite answer. Another secret is dark matter. We cannot see it, yet it keeps galaxies from falling apart. It is 5 times more abundant than ordinary matter, but no one knows what it is made of. And what about dark energy? It is like an invisible force, tearing space apart. It is the reason our universe expands faster and faster. Yet we have no real idea what it truly is. Every new telescope brings us new horizons. Today, scientists search for the light of the first stars, born after the Big Bang. Their rays traveled 13 billion years to reach us. Within them lies the story of the universe's very birth. But mysteries are not only hidden in the past. The future of the universe is uncertain too. Will it collapse back into a single point? Or will it expand forever, leaving only endless cold emptiness? Somewhere among these mysteries, life may be hiding. We know of only one planet that harbors it, Earth. But perhaps the universe holds billions of other worlds. Each one could carry secrets of its own. Scientists have discovered thousands of exoplanets. Some are enormous gas giants, others are rocky worlds similar to Earth. But only a few may truly be habitable. We build powerful telescopes to see them more clearly. Every signal from space could be the beginning of a story. What if someone is already sending us messages, and we simply don't yet know how to understand them? But there is a bolder question. What if intelligent life has already been here all along? Perhaps they are watching us, just as we search for them. And one day, the mystery may turn into revelation. Galaxies are the grandest cities of stars. Each one holds billions of suns and planets. But what is truly astonishing, that galaxies collide and merge. These cosmic dances reshape the destiny of the universe. When we look at the sky, it seems still and eternal. But in reality, everything is in constant motion. Stars die, are reborn, and reshape the cosmos. Every moment, the universe is never the same as before. Astronomers call this the cosmic cycle. The death of some stars gives birth to new worlds. From the ashes of supernovae, planets, and even life are formed. We are, quite literally, made of stardust. This is why the cosmos feels like an eternal enigma. It connects our past, present, and future. Every particle around us once shone inside the heart of a star. We ourselves are children of the universe. But one ultimate question remains. Why does all of this exist? Why is there a universe instead of nothing? Neither philosophers nor scientists hold the answer. That is why the mystery of space will always pull us forward. One of the most astonishing discoveries is the cosmic microwave background. It is the faint echo of the universe's birth. This relic radiation has traveled to us since the Big Bang, and within its patterns lies the story of everything that exists. Equally mysterious is the quantum nature of space. On the tiniest scales, the laws of ordinary physics break down. Particles can appear and vanish from nothing. This microscopic realm may hold the key to understanding the entire cosmos. There is a theory of the multiverse. What if our universe is only one among countless others? Perhaps worlds are being born and dying right beside us, each one with its own laws, its own mysteries. If this is true, then somewhere there are worlds just like ours. Other Earths, other civilizations, perhaps even exact copies of ourselves. The thought is both terrifying and mesmerizing, but even if the multiverse exists, we are still trapped within our own. All we can do is observe, study, and dream. Every discovery pushes us further, and every new piece of knowledge reveals even deeper mysteries. Humanity has always sought to understand its place in the cosmos, From ancient astronomers to modern scientists, we search for answers. Every star above is a reminder of our thirst for knowledge, and of the truth that the universe is far greater than we can imagine. Today, spacecraft help us in this quest. They travel farther than any human could go. The Voyagers have left the solar system behind, and now they carry our message in case someone finds them. But even these spacecraft are just a drop in the ocean, for the Milky Way alone spans 100,000 light-years, and in the universe there are trillions of galaxies. We are only beginning to discover each of them. Every new mission brings us closer to understanding. Telescopes see farther, probes travel faster. We begin to peer beyond the limits of what was once possible. Yet each step only opens new horizons of mystery, and in this endless quest, we remain explorers. We gaze at the sky not only for science, but for the eternal feeling of wonder and hope. For the mysteries of the universe are stories yet to be told. It may seem that the universe is infinite, but there is a boundary we cannot yet see beyond. It is the edge of the observable universe, limited by the speed of light, and beyond it may lie the unimaginable. There may be worlds out there we will never know. Civilizations that live and die without ever knowing we exist. And perhaps they too ask questions about the limits of their cosmos, just as we do here. Every discovery is not just an answer, but also a new question. This is the nature of science. The more we know, the more we don't understand. It is as if the universe hides its secrets on purpose, so that we continue to search and to wonder. Sometimes we forget that our home is also part of this great mystery. Earth spins among billions of worlds, and every day we live on a tiny planet in a vast cosmos. That makes every moment of our life even more precious. We are children of the stars and explorers by nature. Our stories are woven into the fabric of the universe, and every new gaze at the sky reminds us we are part of something infinite, a mystery worth seeking forever. When we look at distant stars, we are seeing the past. Light takes millions of years to reach us. Each star is therefore a window into history, and some of them may have already died long ago. But the most amazing thing is, we are part of this story. Our atoms were forged in the hearts of stars. The iron in our blood was born in a supernova. We are bound to the stars more deeply than we can imagine. When we realize this, Earth no longer feels isolated. It becomes part of the cosmic story. We are but one episode in the great saga of the universe, and yet, this episode is unique. When we realize this, Earth no longer feels isolated. It becomes part of the cosmic story. We are but one episode in the great saga of the universe, and yet, this episode is unique. Understanding this connection gives us hope. If we are children of the cosmos, then our future is tied to it as well. We will fly further, searching for new worlds and mysteries, and we will never stop asking questions. We build new technologies to peer deeper. Space telescopes can capture the light of the most distant galaxies. Each image is a step toward unraveling mysteries, and every pixel in these pictures holds a history of billions of years. But the farther we look, the more unknowns we find. Mysteries hide in every corner of the universe. Strange objects that defy the laws of physics. Each one reminds us we still know far too little. Sometimes we encounter mysteries that feel almost like science fiction. For example, fast radio bursts, powerful signals from afar. They last less than a second, but carry the energy of an entire sun. Their origin remains a mystery to this day. Each such discovery reshapes our view of the universe. We realize that space is not just emptiness. It is a living, dynamic ocean of energy and matter, and it always keeps surprises for us. And yet the greatest secret of the universe is simple. It is infinitely greater than us. But that is exactly what inspires us to search. We explore space step by step, like ancient sailors. And every discovery brings us closer to understanding ourselves. What if the cosmos is not just endless, but alive? What if there is a consciousness that controls stars and planets. We've always looked for intelligence beyond Earth. But what if that intelligence already exists within the fabric of the universe itself? Every object in the universe interacts with the others. Gravity connects worlds, and light travels through time. And everything we see is the result of billions of years of cosmic evolution. Every star, every world is not just particles, it's a story. Our studies have shown that the universe may be far more complex than we imagined. Countless hidden dimensions, parallel worlds, all part of our cosmos. And perhaps they are all connected. Time and space may not be what we think they are. Perhaps we will never know all the answers. But it is this search that drives us forward. And with every discovery, we become part of the great story of the universe. We are not just observers, we are its participants. So what lies ahead? Will there be new worlds, new civilizations? The cosmos will reveal even more mysteries for us to solve. And our story is just beginning. Every gaze at the cosmos is a step into the future. We don't know what answers we will find, but every question helps us move forward. And when we stop searching, the cosmos will open new horizons for us. How many more stars does the darkness hide? How many more unexplored worlds await our gaze? We have only just begun to understand our role in this infinite cosmos. But every new step unveils something amazing. Perhaps one day we will know what existed before the beginning of time. How this boundless universe came to be. But until then, we will continue searching for answers. And even if we don't find them, the journey will be just as important as the result. We are all travelers through time and space. Every step we take is a step into the unknown. But what matters is that we keep moving forward, despite the foggy horizons. And perhaps that is the true meaning of our existence. We live in an era where every discovery can change our understanding of the world. Every new look at the cosmos brings new questions, but the answers we find make us wiser. We continue moving forward, and the cosmos will always be there. So, what will we learn in the next minute, the next day, the next year? We don't know, but we will continue to search, explore, and dream. For the cosmos is not just mysteries, but opportunities, and our journey is just beginning.